This insurance agent business spreadsheet will help you to stay organized by managing your client list, your follow-ups, tracking your process from start to finish. You can track your commissions, income and expenses, marketing campaigns, and more. I'm going to show you how it works, so let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start here in the dashboard. This is going to show you the total number of clients that you have, the total number of policies sold, the total number of quotes that you've sent, and the total commission. Commission earned by quarter and month. This is your CRM dashboard. This is also going to tell you how many leads that you have out there, who needs to be contacted, where they found you from, and the number of leads that still need to be contacted. This is your insurance agent CRM that's going to feed into the dashboard. Here you will put in the information for the client, the type of policy that they want by choosing the drop-down box, the source of how they found you, the coverage amount of the policy, the first contact, last contact, number of follow-ups, and more. So you will just simply double click if you're in Google Sheets to choose the date. You will just type in information like this. It's really easy. And there's also whether or not the commission has been paid, how much commission you're getting. This is the total commission rate. So you can change this if you need. If your commission is, say, 15%, you would just highlight this and put 15. This is going to be multiplied by the premium amount. If this is different, you're welcome just to add this in there manually. This is going to track your total commission for you. You can also put the binding date for the policy. This is an appointment tracker. So if you're physically scheduling appointments out of phone calls you're going to be making, you can put your client's information in here, how they found you, the policy type that they're interested in, the meeting date and meeting time. This one is the policy tracker. So this one will help you to track your to-do list, the coverage amount, the premium amount, the insurance company, and just different items along the way. Now this part here, this is the month and quarter, that will be put in when you put in the binding date for the insurance. It will put in the month and quarter of that binding date, and then that will reflect also into your dashboard to tell you when you're getting commission and when your commission is earned by that month. So that is really important. That comes in automatically. Everything else is, you can put in the date that your docs were sent, signed, when they paid the premium. You can change the commission rate. And then if there's a bonus earned or referral fees, this is the total amount earned. So this is going to be commission earned plus bonus minus referral fees, and that's total. If there's no referral fees, just put 0 and it will calculate for you. Your total commission will be added up here based on what is totally earned. And then let's see, agent checklist. This is just a checklist for you to keep track of. You've got your client here. Did you follow along and do everything that needed to be done along with the process? You've got a binding date, a renewal date here, any commission earned and paid. Now, also, none of these different sheets, like the agent checklist and the policy tracker and the appointment tracker and the CRM, do not talk to each other. The only ones that will feed into something else would be the CRM dashboard. Those things speak to each other where you're getting information from one sheet into the other. And then the policy tracker is going to feed in information into that dashboard. Okay, the next thing is the bookkeeping overview. This will tell you how much income and expenses you have for the month, your net profit for the month, and total income and expenses for the year. This is just a chart that will show you your income by month, and then this is your expenses by month. This is your log, so you can come in here and put in a date. This month will fill in automatically. You can put in the type, income or expense. If this is a commission, you can put in, client 3, health insurance, how much you made, and if you wanted to put any expenses for that as well. This is a marketing tracker. This one is a little bit more challenging, but I will show you how to use this one more in detail. Okay, let's see. All right, so when you get this sheet, everything is going to be, have some weird formulas that's showing that it's kind of broken, but it's not. Okay, so we can put the campaign. So this is going to be the best campaign, and then we're going to say it's going to start on the 1st and end on the 31st. Sorry, 25, and then we'll put in what platform. And then how much did you spend? If you add the number of items advertised, if you're advertising 1 or 2 items, how many impressions did it get? How many clicks? What your conversion rate was, like how many sales or policies did you sell? And then how much did you make? And then it will fill out for you your cents per click, your click-through rate, your conversion rate, and your return on investment and return on ad spend. You can say if your campaign is pending, active, or complete, and any notes so you can keep track of it. Okay, so that is essentially how to use the Insurance Agent Business Management Bundle. It's available at my website at savvyandthriving.com in Google Sheets and Excel. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and hope you guys have a great day.